Hey guys, my name is Devin, the DIY lawn coach. Hope you're having a great day today. Thank you so much for checking out the video. So today guys, I want to kind of spend some time talking about one of the most underutilized aspects of lawn care, and that is making sure that you measure your lawn. So I know it's not fun. I know you don't like to do it, but it is extremely important to make sure that you understand the square footage of your lawn. Everything that we do in lawn care is based on 1,000 square feet. So if you don't know exactly how big your lawn is, you could potentially be putting down the wrong amount of fertilizer. You could be, you could really do harm to your lawn, if you put down fungicides or plant growth regulators. So super important. So I'm going to spend some time showing you guys how I measured my lawn, and I'm going to get the camera set up and bring you guys in a little bit closer and show you that. So thank you again so much for checking out the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and make sure you share the video as well. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so before we get started, the first thing I always recommend you do is go to a website, and I'll link one below to a website that I recommend. But you want to print off a property map of the square, kind of the area of your lawn. And on the website, you can just point and click and draw out the square footage, and it'll tell you approximately your square footage. That's great, and that works if that's all you want to do. But in my opinion, that's just one aspect. So then I want to take what I've learned, on the website, and then I want to go out into my lawn and I want to spend some time actually measuring it. I know for my particular situation, I have a hard time with some of the trees, especially in the backyard. I can't really tell, did I go far enough by clicking the dots and all that good stuff. So it's important to get out a measuring tape. I bought this at Lowe's. I think this is 100 feet. So it's got a little spike in here. We're going to stick the spike down in the ground, and we'll pull this out and we'll measure. So the way that you calculate the area, think back to third grade math. The area of a rectangle is length times width. So it's really, really simple to do. So we're going to today we're just going to measure out the length and width of this little side area here, which I think the map told me was around 1,900 square feet. So we're going to we just want to spend some time confirming that. Most lawn care companies will just click on the website, look at your square footage, and then go from there. So, we as a DIYer, again, biggest advantage we have is we can take the time and do this and make sure we're being precise and, making sure we're throwing down the right amount of fertilizer, the right amount of fungicides, for those applications. So I'm going to turn the camera around and kind of show you guys me walking out into the lawn, taking some measurements, and then we'll write those down, and then we'll come back here and we'll do some math calculations and tell you what the actual square footage is for this area. So hang on tight. All right, guys. So in a perfect world, this would be a perfect square because that would make it really easy, but it's not. So there is a little bit of fudge factor here with kind of what we're doing, but like I said, we'll take what the website says, and then we'll take what this says, and then we'll kind of marry the two together. So I said length times width. So I'm going to put my spike in here, and we're going to go all the way down here to the end. And then I'm going to pick up an area kind of out there in the middle of the lawn, and that'll kind of be the average. I know this part is wider here than it is down there. So I'm going to kind of pick an area in the middle. Again, fudge factor. So we started out walking right here. So from here to that point was 100 feet. So we're going to write down 100 on there. And then, like I said, I'm going to go out to kind of a point in the middle of the lawn, and then we're going to measure across that way. Okay guys, so we're back over here at the truck, and we've taken our measurements. So ideally what you would do is walk your whole lawn, take all your measurements, and then you can come back and do the math. So this is really easy. because it's 100 feet times 25, so that's a total of 2,500 feet. So again, when I did this online, it told me that this area was 1,900 square feet. So, maybe that was just an issue where I didn't draw the dot to the right, to the right length. So again, that's why it's so important to go back and actually walk your land, walk your lawn, make sure that, what you're putting, on the website matches exactly what you're doing, physically out in your lawn. So again, this is not hard to do. It just takes time to do it, and it's super important. Everything that we do in the lawn is based on 1,000 square feet. So it's super important that you understand, your application rate. So if it's 5 pounds per thousand, and you've got 2,500, square feet, to put down, 12 pounds of product. So every time I apply in this area, I know that I'll get it right. So again, that's super important. So guys, make sure you take the time and do this. Grab your kids, have fun with it. This is a fun little project that you can do. So get out in the lawn. Anytime you're out in the lawn is always a good day. So take your time, do this. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and then make sure you share this with somebody that needs to get out there and measure their lawn. So my name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Again, thank you so much. Hope you guys have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the lawn.